Rosary is a powerful prayer that brings us closer to God through the Blessed Virgin Mary. It helps us reflect on the life, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ.
What is Rosary?
The Rosary is more than just a prayer. It is a journey of faith.
It begins with the sign of the cross, the Apostles' Creed, Our Father, Hail Marys, and Glory be.
Every decade tells a story about Jesus and Mary's love for us.
There are 4 categories of mysteries. First, the joyful, sorrowful, glorious, and luminous. The joyful mysteries, this reminds us of the happiness brought by the birth of Jesus, the Annunciation, Visitation, Nativity, Presentation, and finding in the temple.
Sorrowful mysteries. These help us reflect on the suffering and love of Jesus, from the agony in the garden to his crucifixion.
Glorious mysteries. These celebrate Jesus' victory over death, the resurrection, ascension, descent of the Holy Spirit, assumptions, and coronation of Mary.
Luminous mysteries, these tell the story of Jesus' public ministry, his baptism, the wedding at Cana, the proclamation of the kingdom, the transfiguration, and the institution of the Eucharist.
For me, Mama Mary is a mother who listens. I talk to her when I'm worried and afraid.
Mama Mary inspires me to be kind, patient, and faithful, just like her.
She reminds me that God's loves never leave us, even in difficult times.
Through the Rosary, Mama Mary leads us closer to Jesus. She is our guide and comfort.
I carry my rosary in my pocket because it reminds me that God is always with me.
Whenever I face problem or fear, just touching my rosary gives me peace.
It's not just an accessory, it's my shield, my daily prayer companion.
The rosary in my pocket reminds me to live with faith, hope, and love every day. The rosary connects us to God through the heart of a mother.
It teaches us peace, humility, and faith.
It gives me strength in times of fear and guidance in times of confusion.
So, let us make praying the Rosary part of our daily life.